All right, this is the iPhone 12 Pro camera recording with the HDR turned on, the 10-bit HDR. So let me know how this looks. So you can see the sun's about to set. Looks beautiful on the display, but let me know how it looks on YouTube. Assuming that you can view HDR content on your monitor, I figured this would be a good time to test it. With the sun coming down, you can see the different colors of the sky, from the blue to the oranges and everything else in between. Beautiful out here. A little bit of a breeze, feels really good. Beautiful, man. So let me know the quality in the comments down below. Yeah, it looks nice on the viewfinder, man. But how does it look on the display on your computer or phone or whatever? Let me know in the comments. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Peace out.